everyone, it's Lisa from A Simple Season. It is just about dinner time here, and if we haven't met yet, my family is from the Calabria region of Italy, and tonight I am going to show you how to make a simple, delicious, authentic pasta al limone con tonno. In other words, pasta with lemon and tuna. This is an easy dish that is bursting with flavor and only takes a few moments to make, and this is also a subscriber request. So let's get started. I'm going to use linguine for this dish, but you can use spaghetti, you can use tagliatelle, you can use bucatini. I like it best with any type of long pasta, but you can use whatever you want. So this dish is very simple to make and it comes together in just a few minutes. And I'm just starting out by slicing up a few grape tomatoes. I've got about, 7 or 8 of them here. And I'm going to make enough for 2 people, so you can multiply that amount by however many people you're serving. And you can actually do all of this while you put your pasta water on to boil because it comes together that quickly. And for tuna, you want to get a nice tuna that's packed in olive oil. And if you can find one that's imported from Italy like this one, that's even better because it gives it not only that authentic flavor, but the texture is very rich and tender. If you can't find this brand, there's other ones available as well. Just pick one that's packed in olive oil and you'll be just fine. We're also going to chop up a little bit of parsley because that is going to go on our finished dish. So we have our pan heating up over medium heat and we're just going to dump in all of the tuna with the oil. And here it is all plated up, and of course you need a sprinkling of grana padano cheese or parmesan or pecorino romano. So this is the perfect dish for spring and summer, and it is just full of delicious fresh flavor. Thank you so much for joining in. Stay well everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one. Oh, it's so good.